Welcome back. In our previous lecture, we discussed STS switching network and TST switching networks, where they were basically dealing with transmission of data from one side to another side with the help of three stages STS or TST. But the requirement is our PCM transmission systems or PCM switching systems wants to have communication in bidirection. So we need to discuss or we need to design a switching component or switching network which is able to provide communication in both direction. Should be able to provide communication in both direction. So as you can see, a PCM transmission system should be able to provide two-way communication. This is one way of communication and the opposite direction of communication. Of course, if I am sending some information through this PCM transmission system or PCM switching system, so that will be received at one end, and similarly the other end in the opposite direction someone can send and data can be transferred over this transmission system to receive at the other end. So to have this type of communication, of course this type of communication is required in telecommunication speech conversations. So we need to send in both direction or dual operation. Duplex communication is required in our PCM telecommunication systems. So in order to provide this, one possibility is we can have one switching system or switching network. I can use STS or TST for transmission in this direction, and also I want to use another set of telecommunication network, that is STS switching network, STS or TST, in the opposite direction from right side to left side. So instead of having two different networks STS or TST on both sides, what we can do is we can utilize a single STS or TST network. So what I can do is I can shift this sending highway to right hand side and receive highway to left hand side. So this one is coming to right hand side and this 2 is going to left hand side. So in this way I can make use of a single STS or TST switching network and I can provide bidirectional transmission. So STS network is operating in this way towards the output side, but the data transmission is taking place not only from left to right but also from right to left, but also in the opposite direction also. So that is what bidirectional switch. Instead of calling bidirectional switch, we can call it as bidirectional paths used in time division switching network. So this becomes the incoming trunk, incoming data, and this becomes the outgoing trunks data.